Good morning, good morning, good morning. I want to thank my subscribers for all that you do to uplift and encourage me, to inform me, to confirm the things that I've said in my videos. Thank you. And if you are watching the video and you've not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. As I was getting ready this morning, I thought about someone who said to me that as I use this Good Molecule products on my face for my skincare, that I might experience a breakout. Or I don't know if breakout was her word, but I wanted to say that she said that I should probably expect a change in my face that would possibly look negative. Well, I did. I was talking about the products and telling my husband about it, and he pointed out to me as we were riding along the other day that I had something on my face that looked sort of like a rash. And then I said, that's exactly what she said would happen. Had not she informed me of that, I would have been on the verge of discontinuing the use of the product. But today, there are no pimples, nothing that looks like a rash on my face. And I am really loving this Good Molecules product. And I want to thank her for pointing that out to me, because I had no idea, I had no clue. And yeah, you can educate me, and I really appreciate it when you do, giving me the information that you have knowledge of so that I can move on. Now, this is my hair the day after my retightening. Now, usually after my retightening, I may feel a little itch right here in the top. You see me going through this way. I'm not just really combing through my hair with my fingers, but I'm doing sort of like a scratch. I'm scratching my scalp right now. But I am loving my hair. Loving it. And I want you to know that yesterday, getting my hair retightened on my thinner side, Miss Kim added a lock right here. I could feel her doing it, and I appreciate that. I really do appreciate it. I'm going out this morning to do a retightening. That's all I have to do. I have been doing things a little bit differently at the salon. I have decided to take a week off every month because I can, and I believe I deserve it. I believe that I deserve the time with myself for my self-care. I believe that I deserve the time with my husband for our couples care. And I just believe I deserve the time with my family if I choose to spend that time with family, and also to take care of my house, my home, or just to relax and have a good time. I suggest that you take some time for yourself. God has provided for me, and I am so happy for that. I want to always be able to think about not just myself, but others. But I know that if I don't take care of myself, I can't care for others. And that's what I wanted to come in and tell you today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I want you to know that I appreciate you more than I could ever say or do. I really appreciate you all. And I thank you for what you do for me and this channel. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my subscribers are family. But I especially love God because God has been so good to me. He's blessed me in so many ways, seen and unseen. And I just want to thank him for doing all that he does in my life. And I believe that he will do, and he can do, exceeding abundantly above all that I could ask or think by the power that worketh within me. Have a wonderful day, and I thank God for you. My 360